This look is giving me, you know, soccer mom vibes. This look is giving me head of the PTA. Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here. Today I'm going to be doing a review and a demo of the Fumi and Juvia's Place collaboration collection. This collection comes with an eyeshadow palette, 2 lippies, and a super cute makeup bag. If you'd like to see how I got this simple, regular, everyday look, then just keep on watching. So for today's video, as you can tell from the title, I am going to be reviewing and demoing the Fumi and Juvia's collaboration. This is my first ever PR package from Juvia's Place, for the record, so it's pretty cool that they reached out to me, and I'm excited to crack this box open and see what it do. You know, it's Juvia's Place, you know they gonna come through already. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. I love the packaging. I did take a peek at it, okay, but you know I put it back because I was trying to, you know, unravel. So they sent me everything. They sent me quite a few goodies. Number one, of course, being the Queen palette in collaboration with Fumi. I'm not sure if I mentioned, Fumi is an amazing YouTuber. She creates a lot of beauty content for darker skinned women. So you don't get to find a lot of collaborations in this industry with women of color that are dark skinned, that are older. It's just incredibly rare. And for Juvia's Place to collaborate with her, I think it is a match made in heaven, and I think the palette is beautiful. Of course, I'm excited to use it. I haven't bought a new Juvia's Place palette in some time, but that's also due to the fact that I haven't filmed and I haven't really worn makeup like that. So I was definitely really excited about this collaboration. I also got sent 2 lip glosses. Okay, I actually didn't know that the Fumi collection came with lip glosses, but seeing her face on there, clearly is a package deal. Okay, the last item in this box is again this super duper cute makeup bag. Oh my gosh, really cute. I love how they worked in her face into the traditional Juvia's Place packaging. She looks regal, she looks stunning, she looks like royalty, which is of course what we expect from Juvia's Place. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back into mine and we are going to get into eyes. I have seen the package online, of course, so I kind of know what the colors are and I kind of have an idea of the look that I want to create. And it's gonna be extra. It's gonna be extra. It's gonna be over the top. It's gonna be a lot. Okay, and you know what? It's been a while since I filmed, and I wanted something. I wanted to come out big, okay? I wanted to come out showing some love to not only Fumi, but to Juvia's Place. So this is so cute. This is just so freaking cute. Like, so we have 6 colors, 2 shimmers, 4 mattes. I love mattes. I got shimmers for days. They threw in some mattes that are beautiful, that are gorgeous. So let me bring you guys in closer and let's get this party started. First, let's prime our eyes. We're gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C1. Just gonna pop that on the lid. To start, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush and just blend that out. The cool thing about this concealer, which I kind of find interesting, is that it almost dries to a completely matte finish. The first color that I'm gonna go in with is not one from the Fumi palette, but you guys, it's okay. Everybody has a black, okay? Everybody has a black, everybody has a dark brown. We can make this work. So I'm going in with Shawata, which is a black color from the Warrior 2 by Juvia's, and I'm picking that up on a Morphe M48 brush. We're gonna focus that darkness along the inner third of the eye, and we're just gonna pack it on for now, okay? Oh, this is a technique that I saw B. Marie do, and this look is very similar to that, except we're gonna be using slightly different colors and, you know, zhuzhing it up in a slightly different way. Let's take a little break. Let's go on to the next brush. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Fumi Queen palette because we're queens around here, okay? And I'm gonna go in with Adrian, which is this beautiful purple color right here. I'm grabbing that on a Morphe M506 brush and I'm placing this above the black and of course layering it on the black as well. All right, so now we're gonna go in and we're gonna blend between the black and the purple, dragging that black up a little bit more into the purple section, and also dragging this color out. Pick up some color and then just go in and start to blend out between the black and the purple. All right, so as I'm dragging it out, it appears that I'm going downwards, which I am, but I'm going to also start to do a little bit of, you know, just a little bit of an upwards curve, okay? Because that is the shape of the cut crease that we're going for. Just a little bit. I don't want a ton of color, okay? Like that right there, that's all we need. Make sure that that blend between the black and the purple is unclockable. That's all we need. You see that? Just that hint, that whisper, that of color in that outer third. That's all we want, okay? That's all we want. Now, you see how it kind of stops short right here? Let's get that a little bit more blended out. Just take your brush, go back and forth. Pretty happy with that, but my black is looking a little not so black, which is expected. So I'm just gonna go in and deepen it, and then we'll blend again. Same brush, no product. All right, so next I'm going in with 7, and this is a Morphe M412 brush. That's this pink color right here. And I'm gonna place this above the purple, kind of mixed into the purple because I don't have a ton of space close to my brow, but I do want that color to have its own moment out here along the outer third. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to carve out our lid with LA Girl Pro Conceal.
Hi loves, I'm going to be switching over to voiceover. We had a little bit of mic issues, so bear with me as I try to dub my voice, okay? Alright, so I'm just going to let this concealer on my lids dry down just a little bit, get a little bit tacky. I don't want it super wet before I go in with my next color, which is going to be FDV approved. That's this gold shade at the bottom. This is a shimmer. It's not too chunky or anything like that. And just lay that beautiful, bright golden shade all over your lids. Okay, moving on to the next step. I'm gonna go in and layer a little bit of glam. That's that reddish, copperish shimmer, just to add a bit of color and dimension. I'm barely tapping it in. I just want a little bit of zhuzh. You don't need a ton. You don't need to rub. Pat it in very gently, and it's just gonna give a little bit of shift. So now I'm gonna go in with this NYX eyeshadow base in white. We're gonna take our super small detail brush, and I'm just gonna give myself a white eyeliner all along the base of my cut crease. I'm gonna go in with a super small detail brush. I'm gonna pick up that black shade from the Warrior 2 by Juvias, and I'm going to intensify the base of that crease, sharpen it up a little bit, and at the same time clean up that white liner. And now it's time for some glitter. I'm gonna go in with this gold glitter blend, and I'm gonna place that along the inner third of my eye, and I'm just gonna apply that using the NYX glitter primer. All right, so moving on to the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that black and place that along the outer third of that lower lash line. Literally just the smallest amount. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush, and I'm gonna grab the Adrian color. I'm gonna start to smoke out that lower lash line, dragging that color down. I'm basically using the same colors that I use for my transition area on my lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in with the 7 color, and I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M506 brush and just further blend out that lower lash line section. I'm bringing that color pretty low. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm going to pick up the Sister to Sister color. I'm gonna place that right in my inner eye quarter to really brighten it up and open it up. And I'm also dragging it along the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with some liquid eyeliner. Ooh. For lashes, I'm going in with the Cara Lashes in the style 102. Alright loves, the eyes are pretty much done. I am going to add a little bit more detail at the end. I realize I want to bring in a little bit more warmth into the look. It's looking very cool, which is fine. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of Olay, which is this reddish shade, on a Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to place that along my lower lash line. So I know that it seems like a lot, and it is, but I like it. Alright you guys, this was the moment I realized that my mic was all the way jacked up. So now we're going to switch back over to our regularly scheduled programming.
No idea how long this mic has been away from me, so it's possible I might have to do a voiceover, but it is what it is. So I am going to zhuzh up this look even more using some gems that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to place that primarily on my lower lash line. I'm just going to use some duo glue to attach this. Whew. Can't believe that actually worked. So moving on to the rest of the face, let's hit it with some bronzer, some highlight, and then we're gonna do lips. For bronzer, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer, oldie but a goodie. And I don't know the name of this brush, but it's fluffy and on the small side. I like a lot of bronzer, I like a lot of warmth. So I'm gonna go a little ham. All right, we are gonna do highlight next. I'm gonna take this fan brush that came with the, with like a nail art kit. And I'm gonna use the Queen palette. I'm gonna take FDV approved. Let's do a light dusting. Let's go in with something that's gonna blow it out a little bit more. Okay, that's more like it. I'm gonna highlight my forehead. I like to go in a nice rainbow half moon shape. Really soft, beautiful highlight. That's the thing about the Juvia's Place palettes that I really like too. The pans are big enough to kind of get multi-use out of them. A little bit on the chin. Okay, we're starting to glow. The glow is coming through. The glow is coming through. Okay, that's nice. I'm gonna go into the Saharan Blush Volume 1. And I'm gonna use the same brush I used to bronze, and I'm gonna pick up Toby. Love a nice coral orange blush moment.
Mommy.
Hi.
Wow.
Oh, you like my makeup?
Wow.
Is it pretty?
Cute. So cute.
It's pretty cute. Thank you.
It's really cute.
It's pretty cute.
Wow.
You like it? Okay, thank you.
Wow. I
Pretty eyes?
was peeing.
My eyes are pretty. Thank you.
The mouth was this.
My mouth, I have lip gloss on.
That's one.
I have lip gloss on.
Goes on.
Yes.
Oh wow.
You like it? I want that.
I go.
Thank you.
Dirty with dirty.
It's dirty. You're right. Okay, see, I wasn't paying attention and I might have done too much gloss, but that's okay. Just throw a little powder on there. Okay, so blush is done. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Abby. Get that contour popping a little bit more.
Look, it.
All right guys, home stretch. We're almost there. We've done blush, bronzer, highlight. All right, I'm also gonna take a little bit of that FDV approved color and highlight down the bridge of my nose. It's literally like the skinniest line ever. There we go. I'm also gonna go in with another Morphe M506 brush. I'm gonna dip into the Saharan blush palette. I'm gonna pick up Abby because I just want a little tinsy bit of nose contour. Sweeping it up into the brow. Just a little snatcheroo, you know, nothing too crazy. Let's go in with our Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix. It's gonna bring back the dew, the glow, all that fun stuff. Moving on to lips. let's grab our Fumi approved lip options. We have here the Queen, which looks like a nice purple color. Definitely go with the eyes, but might be too much. Then we have, oh, this is Fumi, and this is Royalty. Royalty looks like a nude. You guys know me, I love a good nude. So I'm probably gonna end up rocking the nude. Oh, is it nude? Is it shimmery? I don't know, let's find out. Ooh, that is pretty. This is literally the shade of my concealer in lip gloss form, which is kind of a good thing. But it might be light, I don't know. Whoa. This is a moment. Okay, see now? I might have to do this. I might have to go dark. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to go with the Queen. I'm gonna have to go with the Queen Royalty. That's what it is. So what I want is a dark lipstick base. I have this Wet n Wild Vamp It Up lipstick, so let's try that. Okay, Royalty lip gloss. Let's see what it do. Oh my gosh. This is no joke. This is a vibe. I love the palette. I think the palette is beautiful. It's cute. This lipstick is definitely one of the standout pieces from the collection, and it totally took me by surprise. I tend to not really do dark lipsticks as much anymore just because I really don't like that line of demarcation in the middle, but for some reason this is not that bad, and I just think that it really goes with the eye look, with the over-the-topness of this whole vibe. So I really love the way that it turned out. Congratulations once again to Fumi for this lovely collaboration. Thanks to Juvia's Place for sending me this PR package. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also, I am back officially, so hit that notification bell down below if you want to be notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day.